Okay, this time we're doing an Innistrad Midnight Hunt Collector's Booster Box. Get this opened. Packs here. Should probably be a pretty quick one. If I can't pronounce the name, I'm not going to. I'll just show you. I have a difficult time pronouncing things. Okay. Okay. Common, uncommon. Uncommon. Ooh, I like those lands too. Nice and really cool looking. Okay. The rare, we got a, I believe that's a mythic. Intrepid Anniversary. Visions of Dominance. Briar Bridge Tracker. Okay. More two special cards, like one's common, one's uncommon. Okay, another rare. We got Haunted Ridge. I actually have one of those already. And got a foil. That's the second one. The other one's not foil. This one's foil. And I got a foil Angel Fire, Ignition, and a foil Warrior and Spirit token. Okay, second pack. I only opened a couple regular. These are my first collector's boosters for these. I bought them on Amazon Prime Day. They were cheap. I figured they'd be just kind of cool to go through. Okay. Commons and uncommons. The foils. An island. It's cool looking too. And for the rares, we got Curse of Surveillance. We've got Kerbis, Mythic. We got Wake to Slaughter. Okay, we got these commons. We got Traveler's Huntmaster, rare. Common foil there. Another Haunted Ridge. And a bird zombie token. I like the dual lands, and be nice to at least have a different one. It's the third Haunted Ridge I've gotten. That's the only dual land I've got out of this set so far. Okay. We got commons. And we got Swamp. So cool. Alright. Rare, we got Burn Down the House. Also a famous song. Ravenous Rot Belly. Curse of the Shaken Faith. I got an uncommon and a common. Special. We got Slorog, the Overslime. Rare. That one in we got Farina, Goldrine Scoin. And we got a Elemental Human token. Alright. Next one. Got the uncommons and commons. And the foil. I got a mountain. Okay, rares. We got Tubbler's Huntmaster, Cleaver Scab, another Burn Down the House. I got a common and a common. We got Adeline, rare, common foil. And we got Sunstreak Phoenix. And we got Truffaut Conclu, foil token. Next one. We got the commons and uncommons. And we got a plains. Overgrown farmland, okay. And another one. Alright, Visions of Dread. Willowgeist. Uncommon and common. I got Reckless Stormmaker. Common. And we got Ludwig. We got a Beast Zombie token. Okay, number 6. I got the commons and uncommons. I got an island. I got Fateful Apprentice. We got Celebrate the Harvest. We've got that one. We got a common and a common. We got an extended art one. Deserted Beach. We got a common. We got a Galavic. We got a Bat Human token. Okay. What the? Backwards. That's commons and uncommons. And a forest. Storm the Festival. Visions of Glory. Lord of the Forsaken. These commons. We got Jadar. Common. And we got this one. And a zombie. Double zombie token. next one. Got the commons, uncommons. Come on. Planes. A pithing needle in this one. More land rescuer. Memory deluge. I got uncommon, common. Suspicious stowaway, rare. That one. And can't stay away. And we got an insect human token. Okay. Like every other time, if there's anything here worth selling, it will be up on my store, Ohio Treasure Hunters. I have the link down below on eBay. We got uncommons. Any commons here? Got island. I got this one. That one again. Bloodline calling. This rare. And Liesa. We got a double spirit token. We got the uncommons and the commons. Alright, swamp. Okay. We got hostel hotel. Land. Stalwart pathlighter. Curse of silence. Rem. Geist. And a bird zombie token. 2 more to go. Okay. We got the commons and uncommons here. And a mountain. That's Tainted Adversary, mythic. That one, another mythic. Faithful Absence, rare. Ludwig, rare. Dominic, Danik. We got a ooze human token. Okay, last pack. We got the commons, uncommon. Got a forest. Another haunted ridge, imagine that. Crowded crypts. Dire Strain Rampage. Okay. 2. Foreign. And last one, a Planeswalker, Teferi. Mythic rare. And I've got a vampire wolf token. Okay, that's it for this box opening. Hope you enjoyed it. Probably not too much. It's not such a great set, but we'll let a better one come in next time. Alright, see you next time.